day with me. Spend the day with me as a photographer. It's 6:15. Let's get ready. So before I go shower, I'm just gonna set up the place because our model is going to be here by 10:30. So I just need to prepare. I already pre-prepared last night, brought out all the whole equipment that I'll be using, but now I just need to set the backdrop, turn on the lighting, making sure the lighting are going to be fine. Yeah, but also just clean my face before I go shower. So I'm using the foaming face wash just to clean my face before I go into the shower. I already saw how my model looks like, but I need to see his performance. I hope it's not one of those models who's going to wait for me to tell him what to do. And our model is male, by the way. Yeah. But we'll see. So this is what we're dealing with today. So I already set up this. I'm going to take it a bit higher because my model is tall. And I set up the lighting. I just need to take this away from there because I want to put the backdrop situation there. Although it's a white wall, but I don't know if I should leave the white wall or I should put the backdrop. Yeah, I'm a bit confused. I've been thinking about it since last night. I'm not sure. But yeah, I just need to take out this dining table away from here and then do my setup there. And then, of course, open the curtains. Oh, before, let me turn on the lights. Yeah, so much better. I want to drink water. I was drinking this earlier. Yeah. One of the things you do know about me is I am very clumsy. I don't know. It just happens, my hands just slips. Things just fall out from my hands. I don't know. Aren't I holding the cup properly? Wow. Yeah. Oh, I'm just keeping. Yes. So I have everything for the indoor all set up. Let me show you guys. So this is the first time I'm setting up in this apartment. I moved in here a week and a half ago, and that's why everything seems, new to me. But yeah, this is my first time. Let me show you guys what I have so far. This is what we have so far. So backdrop is set, a little bit of green plant just to see, and lighting is all set. I'm an iPhone photographer, so yeah. Let's go shower now and wait for our model to arrive. Looking all fresh. So we're going to do like a studio vibe in here, and then we go outside for somewhat like a lifestyle vibe. He's doing 4 looks today, and let's see how it goes. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm all dressed up, and yeah, I'm just gonna use this Mama Beauty lip oil balm, the Cocoa Glow. It's just clear, natural. I'm gonna put some under my eye as well because it's a bit dry, and the hydration on this product is wow. So I'm ready. I don't have a tripod or like or a mirror yet. That's why you can't really see my full outfit, but there's nothing serious about it. It's a very simple it's a very basic everyday wear, because I've had a situation where there was a model that I was shooting, and then she went back to her booker, her agent or whatever, to complain that photographer wasn't even profesh. Her outfit, she wasn't even dressed professionally. And I'm like, you came to my space and I was wearing a shorts and a shirt, just very basic outfits. And then she's like, she wasn't even dressed professional. I'm like, and the agent came to me to tell me. So since then, I've been like, very cautious of what I wear, ever since then. Cause I don't know, is there like an outfit photographer should wear, or is there a uniform, or I don't know, is there a particular way a photographer is supposed to dress? Please let me know, because maybe there's something I'm missing. But yeah, this is my full, you can't see it. Hey, let me try something here. Okay. Hopefully. So yeah, so that's what I'm just wearing. So I'm done with my shoot, the photo shoot, 4 looks, and we did it. We shot some here, and we were outside to shoot some things. Yeah, so I'm done. Let's see. My house is still the way it was because they were everywhere. I almost used my camera, even though I always tell the agents to let their models know it's an iPhone photo shoot. But yeah, it was all sorted out. Oh, good. Oh, good. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat breakfast today. Now my body's shaking. With a shake. With a shake. Oh. Let's put everything back as it was. I turned my sitting room into a mini studio. Let's put everything back the way it should be. I've had lunch. Now I'm about to start my second job for the day, which is the content creating. I'm gonna be creating a UGC for a lip product. So yeah, let's do this. I'm tired. It's been a long day, but I need money. So there's really nothing I can do about it than to work my ass off.